Principal ma'am, teachers, parents and dear children, I feel grateful to have the presence of our beloved MD sir and Principal ma'am. They have given us the path to follow to make our dreams reality and give us the firm foundation for all young minds. I take great honor to welcome our dear teachers. They work endlessly to shape young lives and make them good citizens for society. I extend a hearty welcome to all the parents who have taken time out from their busy schedule to cheer up the students and praise the efforts of the school. I would like to appreciate all the students for their presence, all fresh, happy and excited about the performances which are about to start. Thank you.
Now please stand up and take your positions with your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you, my studies, thoughts, words, and actions, of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do God's right. Amen.
Thought of the day. Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. I repeat my thought. Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. Thank you. Now, the student of our class is going to present a Hindi poem.
कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा। अर्जुन के तीर शासन मरुस्थल से भी जल निकलेगा। मेहनत कर पौधों को पानी दे, बंजर जमीन से भी फल निकलेगा। ताकत जुटा हिम्मत को आग दे, फौलाद का भी बल निकलेगा। जिंदा रख दिल की उम्मीदों को, गरल के समंदर से भी गंगा जल निकलेगा। कोशिशें जारी रख कुछ करने की, जो है आज थमा थमा सा चल निकलेगा। धन्यवाद।
Now, the students of our class are going to present an English poem.
Love yourself for who you are. You are born to be who you are. Embrace it. You are a beautiful human. Your unique beauty is yours alone. You have many gifts and talents to share. Share them in your own special way. Your story is yours alone. Use it to help others with theirs. Surround yourself with people who truly see your best self. Shine your bright light on the world for all to see. You are a miracle. Love yourself for who you are. Thank you.
Now it's time for group discussion. The topic for our group discussion is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Abul Paki Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, better known as APJ Abdul Kalam, was an illustrious scientist turned statesman who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007.
Kalam spent more than 40 years as a science administrator and scientist mainly at the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO.
He was closely associated with the military development efforts in civilian space programs of India.
For his work on launch of vehicle technology and development of ballistic missile, he was given the pseudonym of the Missile Man of India. In 1998, he played a prominent role in Pokhran's second nuclear test. APJ Abdul Kalam was born into a poor Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage town of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on 15th October 1931.
His mother, Ashyama, was a housewife and his father, Jainuddin, was an imam and a local mosque and boat owner.
He was the youngest in the family with four elder brothers and a sister.
As a technically visionary, he made several recommendations in the fields of technological innovations, agriculture and nuclear energy to make India a developed nation by 2020.
Kalam was transferred to Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) in 1969. He became the project head of the country's foremost satellite launch vehicle SLV-3.
In July 1980, SLV-3 developed the Rohini satellite successfully near Earth orbit under Kalam's leadership.
Kalam was a part of a project including Project Darwin in 1970. Though the project was not successful, it laid the foundation for the development of Prithvi missile in 1980.
He pursued his education from Schwartz High Secondary School and then graduated from St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli in 1954.
He wanted to become a fighter pilot, but history couldn't be a full field of here were only 8 positions available in the IAFC Indian Air Force and he secured 9th place.
In 1960, the graduate from the Madras Institute of Technology and joined as a scientist at Aeronautical Development.
He was the 11th President of India due to his style of working and interacting with common people, especially the youth. He was affectionately called the People's President.
In May 1998, he played a key role in carrying out Pokhran's second nuclear tests of India. The success of these nuclear tests made Kalam a national hero and his popularity went skyrocketing.
After serving his presidential team, he pursued what he loved most, teaching, writing and reading.
In 1983, Kalam returned to DRDO as its chief as he asked to the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program IGMDP. For his achievement and contribution as a scientist, he was honored with the Best Coast Best Rover Award Indian Highest Contribution Honor. Kalam has had a number of including India 2020, a vision of new millennium, wings of fire, luminous stars, etc.
He left for the Heavenly Board on 27 July 2015 while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, 11 million Shillong. He was laid to rest with full state honors and his funeral was attended by thousands of people. He was an average student during his school but possessed a strong desire to learn and was very hardworking. He loved mathematics.
Now students of our class are going to present a classical dance.
ख्वाजा जी ख्वाजा ख्वाजा जी ख्वाजा जी ख्वाजा जी या गरीब नवाज या गरीब नवाज बेकस की तकदीर सवारी 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 आजा रे आजा तेरे दरबार में ख्वाजा दूर तो है देखा
Now, the students of our class are going to present a skit. The topic of our skit is Life of Abdul Kalam.
Scene 1. Early life in Rameshwaram. Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore the remarkable journey of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, an inspiration to many. Let's start in the town of Rameshwaram, where a young boy named Abdul Kalam dreamed big. Abdul Kalam is reading a book. His mother enters. Abdul, you have been studying for hours. Don't you need a break?
Amma, I need to finish this chapter. How the stars and rocket work.
You have such curiosity. Remember, my son, knowledge is a treasure, but also don't forget to take care of yourself too.
I will, Amma. I want to make you proud.
Abdul, you have a great passion for learning. I believe that you can achieve your dreams if you stay dedicated.
Thank you, Appa. I want to make a scientist and make a difference in our country.
Keep working hard and never give up on your dreams. They are the key to your success. Abdul Kalam's family supported his dreams and encouraged him to pursue his passion for science.
Scene 2. School days. Young Abdul Kalam is in a classroom with his teacher.
Abdul, your essay on the space exploration was excellent. What inspired you to write it?
I have always been fascinated by space. I want to explore it one day and help our country to reach new heights.
That's a wonderful aspiration. Remember, Every great scientist starts with a single step of learning.
I will work hard to take those steps and I want to learn everything I can.
Your dedication is commendable. Keep the enthusiasm alive and you will go far.
Abdul Kalam's passion for space science grew stronger with the encouragement of his teacher.
Scene 3. Abdul Kalam, now an adult, is in a lab with Scientist 1 and Scientist 2.
Dr. Kalam, the final tests for the rocket are complete. Are you ready for the launch?
Yes, I am confident. Our team has worked hard and I believe in our success. It is good, but what is the next big challenge? We must focus on improving our technology and ensuring that our space missions are successful. The future is full of possibilities.
Your vision has always been inspiring and we are lucky to have you leading these projects.
It's team effort. Together we can achieve great things.
Scene 4. Serving as President, Abdul Kalam stands with the Prime Minister.
Dr. Kalam, your service to our nation has been exemplary. How do you feel about becoming the President of India? It is an honor and a responsibility. I will take it seriously. My goal is to serve the people and inspire the youth. Your dedication to our country is commendable. Do you have any plans for your tenure? I want to focus on education and encourage young minds to dream big. The future of our nation depends on them. I am sure your vision will bring a positive change. We look forward to your leadership. Thank you. I will do my best to live up to the expectation of the people.
As President, Dr. Kalam continued to inspire millions with humility and commitment to the betterment of India. Scene 5. Inspiring the next generation. Abdul Kalam is speaking to a group of students. Dr. Kalam, what advice do you have for us to achieve our dreams?
Never stop dreaming. Dreams are the foundation of your goals. Work hard and stay committed to your path.
Dr. Kalam, sometimes we face failures. How should we deal with them?
Failure is a part of success. Learn from it and let it motivate. Every failure is a step towards achieving your dreams.
We will remember your words, Dr. Kalam. Thank you for inspiring us.
I am glad to remember the journey of 1,000 miles. Being with those steps. Keep taking those steps with determination.
Dr. Kalam's life is a testament to the power of dreams and perseverance. His legacy continues to inspire the generation to reach for the stars. Thank you.
Where words fail, music speaks. Music is the language of spirit. Let's enjoy an instrumental performance by Paras Barupal.
music refreshes our mind. Now some students of our class are going to present a Hindi song.
दुख भी अपने सुख भी अपने मैं तां बस जाना सब नु समझ के की करना है दिल नु ऐ समझा तू झूम 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 तू झूम 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 मैं दीवानी कुछ सुना जाना मस्त हो के गाना दुनिया राजी करके कमले फिर भी चैन ना आना सारी खुशियाँ मिल जाते बिछड़ी रह जाना सारी खुशियाँ मिल जाते बिछड़ी रह जाना मेरे बस विच कुछ भी नहीं है दिल नु मैं समझा तू झूम 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 तू झूम 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 थैंक यू
Some girls of our class are going to present an English song.
You to me, so many hands to help you along. There's your brand and beauty there. There's not a fee. If you don't know, you just stand alone. Stand is your own, the moon is growing. Yesterday's dream, now broken and blue. Stand is your own, the moon is growing. Reaching the blues and the water that you Plantation boy, plantation boy. Thank you.
Now the students of our class are going to present a group dance.